what I'm going to do here is try out my new WEN 13-inch planer. I'm going to be building a mobile table for this planer, and I need the bottom where I'm going to anchor the mobile wheels and the top where I'm going to set the heavy planer to be very solid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make both the top and the bottom out of these 2x4s. I'm going to join them together like a cutting board to provide a very strong and thick surface to set the planer on and also to mount the wheels in the bottom. So what I'm going to do with this little video is just record my first attempts at using this planer. I've already got it adjusted. I've already run a couple of sample cuts to make sure everything's going well. But I'm just going to run the top and the bottom through, one board at a time, and record it on this little video so I will have a record. First to turn on the vacuum, and then to suction most of the debris out as it's planing, and then I'll turn on the planer itself. It's going to make a lot of noise. Ran all the boards through. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but the surface of this wood now is just beautifully beautiful. It looks like almost a high quality furniture piece of lumber as opposed to the rough hewn 2x4s that comes from the store. Okay, I think I've got it. Bye-bye.